Siapa cakap kau mesti mau ada 50, 40, 30, 20? Okay, to have fun.
Don't do it to me. I beg you.
Halo,
No.
boleh jelaskan bayaran ansuran bulan ini?
Nobody ever said that. As long as you're on dua roda, you can always have fun. Jadi hari kita tidak tengok motosikal yang terlampau melari
That's suspicious.
di harga dia. Let's go back to ground zeros and have fun in moto yang 10K saja. Wow. Today we have QJ Moto 250S and also the 250 NK Lite by CF Moto. Shall we review? Let's go! So, before we start, I just want to let you know both motosikal ini dua-dua harga dia Rp10.800. Once again, Rp10.800. Keep that in mind, okay? Because today I'm going to show you how much fun kamu boleh dapat dengan harga begini sahaja. So let's start by looking in front to back of both motorcycle. And I'll tell you the specs along the way. Jom. Now we start from the front view of these dua-dua motosikal yang sangat-sangat affordable ni. Dua-dua menggunakan tayar yang exactly the same specs, 110, 70, 17. And then dua-dua pun one pot single disc brake. Tapi QJ Moto ni actually dia generous sikit lah, you know. In this department dia kasih kamu upside down fog. And then dia punya lights, dua-dua pun actually full LED. Tapi QJ Moto punya design saya lagi suka because dia macam ada satu pedang di tengah-tengah as the DRL. Damn! And then dia punya lampu besar di tengah-tengah, kiri kanan dia punya highlight. Also very nicely designed. Compared to the CF Moto NK Lite, CF Moto punya design has always been more futuristic lah. Kalau kamu lagi suka yang macam ada sikit-sikit ala-ala Transformer punya style, you can always go for the CF Moto. But I reserve judgment to you, datang tengok ni dua-dua. As so far, kita buat satu point score tally lah. Depan punya setup, saya rasa QJ Moto menang 1 point, 1-0. And let's move on to other things. Let's go! Dua-dua ini motosikal kan, kita tengok Hansen dia sekarang. Actually, dia punya spek sebiji, you know. 27 horsepower and 22 Newton meters of torque. Cuma different dia, QJ Moto kan, it doesn't need that high of a torque to reach their absolute top speed. Ini 95 saja, dia boleh reach their 27 horsepower saja. And this one needs 9750. Maksudnya you need to rev it higher for the power to come out. Kalau kamu lagi suka rev higher, suara lagi tajam keluar, you can always go for the CF Moto NK. If you want something that is more santai, just a little bit, you can go for the QJ. But both is liquid cool, single cylinder, so satu batang saja exhaustnya. Which, in theory, kalau badan kamu ringan sikit, can allow for top speed of 140-150 h lah, tanpa customization. Yeah. Kalau kamu ada macho sikit, maybe you can go for bigger bikes. Kalau mau laju lah. Ladies and gentlemen, sekarang kita berada di cockpit 250 NK Lights by CF Moto. So kalau kamu tengok dari sini, kita start dari tengah-tengah dulu. Dia punya display ni bukan TFT digital display yang banyak warna. You know, this is just normal liquid crystal display yang style lama-lama, macam yang kamu boleh jumpa di KTM RC200 lah. Okay? So, sini kamu boleh nampak dia ada separate 1, 2, 3 level. So the first level is for, let's say you overheat lah, you need engine oil change kah, and also your signals. Dia akan kasih tahu kamu dari paling atas sini. Okay? In the middle, you get your information, rev, And sini dia ada S sama E ni, actually kamu boleh tukar dia punya mode tu to economy mode. Very nice also. Unexpected for motosikal begini punya harga to have riding modes. It's amazing. And then di bawah kamu boleh nampak sini, this is your hazard warning and then also your highlight punya indicator lah. Okay. Now we move to turun sikit saja kamu boleh nampak sudah dia punya charging port. And this is one thing that amazes me, you know. Dia punya charging port kan dia bukan ada USB biasa saja. Dia ada Type C juga, guys. OMG. Okay. And then we move to the kiri side. You see, we have passing light at the back. Tat. Highlight, tolak saja pergi atas. Normal. Mode button di sini boleh tukar pergi S mode, Sport mode, or economy. And then di bawah ada horn. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ooh. And then di bawah signal kiri, kanan, off, tekan tengah. Kanan pula, let's go. Kanan, sini you have your ignition. Tarik pergi tengah, standby. Tarik pergi bawah. On. Push pergi tengah balik, off. And then paling bawah sini, kamu boleh nampak hazard. Okay. Dia punya tank. Ada style Cobra, ada vent sini untuk direct udara to you lagi. Okay. Dia punya tank 12.5 liters memang cukup untuk jalan 200 to 300 kilometers. And then dia punya fuel cap besi Joe. Au, sakit. This is very well made. Untuk setiap touch point kan saya suka pasal CF motor ni. Setiap touch point sini, everything is made of good quality stuff lah. Walaupun harga dia 10k, don't worry, you're still getting one of the best build CF motor can offer. Now, okay guys, sekarang kita berada di cockpit QJ Moto 250S. Okay, SRK 250S. Kau boleh nampak dari sini dia punya dash ni is actually fully digital TFT berwarna. And dia ada tunjuk lah, okay, fuel, temperature, rev, gear, and also one extra, dia tunjuk masa lagi. Damn, that's nice. Ada clock. And then di bawah sini kamu move down, you can see it has USB. Alah, tiada Type C. Kalah ni kepada CF Moto. 1.2 CF Moto. Sekarang 1.1. Keep the tally ya, tolong saya remember juga. And then kita move to kiri, kau boleh nampak ada passing light sini. Totot. And then ada signal light kiri kanan di tengah. Okay. And then this one is actually highlight and low light lah. Oh no, this is to change the trip, the odo, trip A, trip B, and then odo. Okay, di bawah kamu boleh dapat horn. Saya tidak tekan because memang kuat sudah. Okay, kita move to kanan. Sini ignition dia sebiji sama dengan CF Moto lah, cuma design dia lain sedikit. You get bukan full switch tapi tekan punya. This is prime the gas tank. Now tekan to start. Okay, quite rumbly. Tapi I will show you in a while kenapa I think CF Moto punya exhaust lagi kuat, lagi syok dengar. Okay, let's turn it off for now. And di bawah ada hazard lights. Ding 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 ding. Okay. Next, we move on to the tank. The tank is about the same size. Saya perasan setiap QJ Moto kan dia punya fuel tank ni ada ni small rocket ni. It's very cute lah. If you don't believe me, I'll show you. Now, sitting position ini dua motosikal ada perbezaan sikit-sikit lah. Okay, di CF Moto 250 NK Lite ni, dia tiada handlebar riser. So, saya rasa saya punya badan ada push forward just a little bit, bukan completely straight. Kamu boleh dapat balance juga lah if you want to be aggressive. Yeah. You are lean in a bit forward, it's easier for you to push your body into the corner. So, CF Moto actually lagi sporty. You don't believe me? Nah, now kita try duduk QJ Moto. Okay, so the QJ Moto punya handlebar riser is actually quite tall. So, ini saya punya badan pergi belakang pun tiada masalah. Look at how relaxed I am. So for daily commute, if you want absolute comfort, the QJ Moto deserves a win here. Tapi, the NK Lite pun actually not bad lah if you want a sportier version. Now I wonder, is that why they ada sport mode? So, the point tally, I think I'm not gonna give anybody any points here because dua-dua actually aim at two different consumers sudah nih sekarang. Relax or sporty? You decide. Now, let's look at the belakang. Let's go. Now, sekarang view belakang kamu boleh nampak the biggest difference between these two motorcycle is ini dia punya mudguard is attached to the swing arm. This one is attached to the ass. Tapi knowing you guys, what does it matter? Kamu buka saja dia kan? Terus simpan tu plate number sticker di sini. I know you, which is quite cool, but I know you. It's not like I don't like it, but I know you. Okay? Dua-dua lampu LED. Okay, cuma ini QJ Moto you need to notice a little bit because dia punya signal is not on the body of the bike. Kalau kamu mau buat modification buang tail tu, kamu cari cara lah. Okay, tayar belakang 140, 60, 17, dua-dua pun sama. Okay, dua-dua pakai chain drive. And then exhaust dia, I think we need another section for this. Now, kita berada di tepi exhaust QJ Moto SRK 250S ni. Kau tengok dia punya design ni actually macam SC Project kan? SC. But jangan harap kamu boleh dengar semua suara because kamu tengok tabung dia, oh my god, punya besar. Di bawah satu motor ni semua tabung saja. It's bad for the environment and stuff kalau kau remove kan, tapi saya tahu banyak kamu akan remove juga tu kan, so whatever you want. And in the motor of CF Moto NK250 Lite ni, dia punya bawah sangat cantik, very nicely tucked. Dia punya tabung kecil sikit compared to the QJ Moto. But it doesn't matter, like I said, because I know a lot of you selepas dapat ni bike akan tukar juga kan? So go ahead, do what you like. Okay. So in terms of build quality, this is the last thing that I really want to address kan. Okay, the QJ Moto ni, a lot of the things are okay, well made, but not up to the standards of CF Moto lah. Okay, so example the frame of this motorcycle kan, dia tiada powder coating, dia gloss saja, hitam. And then dia punya, I kinda like it, it has like engine mounting points over here yang kamu boleh tambah slider yang tidak kena the engine block, which is nice. Tapi this bodywork is not exactly up to my taste because kamu boleh tengok dalam dia easily, it's not painted, dia tidak tercat. Okay, I still think that CF Moto yang powder coat semua barang lagi cantik, lagi premium. Okay, I think I would give CF Moto the win lah. And satu lagi last thing yang saya perasan tadi, ini QJ Moto punya suspension terlampau lembut. Okay, once saya duduk on the motorcycle, the bike that really deep more than 2 inches, and then side stand dia, kalau saya mau tutup pun saya mesti mau kasih shift a little bit baru boleh collapse. In the end dari kau saja. 10k yang ada tu kamu punya duit, bukan saya punya. So better you come taste both before you make your purchase. Okay, now apa kata kita test ride? Hello guys and welcome to the Great Outdoors. Sekarang kita akan buat as customary sound check. Okay, kita sound check dulu QJ Moto and then kita bawa dia for ride. But dengar dia punya tamper tu. Deg. Woo, quite powerful juga oh. Suara dia is amazing. But we'll reserve judgment until after we test both motorcycle. Let's go. First gear. Wih, okay, ada full. Okay. Alright. Wow, it's unexpected for a 250 to ada kick begini. Yes, finally saya dapat pakai second gear sudah. Out of so many motors that I review. But also just want to say that dia punya first gear actually boleh tarik jauh juga, oh. Okay, let's see. Oops. Ooh. Okay. Now, it might sound like I really like the CF Moto at first kan. Tapi I'm actually quite surprised, oh. Saya tidak sangka dia punya acceleration begitu ganas, you know. For a Moto 250 made by QJ. Whoa. I like this. Okay. Now, we try the CF pula and see which one is nicer. Now, saya sudah bawa keluar CF Moto 250 NK Lite and kita dengar pula exhaust dia. Okay, start the neutral. Okay, let's go. Actually, 250cc single cylinder actually boleh tahan juga dia punya bass kan. Brum. Oh, I like it. Okay, nanti kita buat the side by side sound test with the QJ motor and let's see which one sounds better. But for now, let's go on the ride. Let's go on a ride. Okay. There is no competition sudah. Hands down. The CF Moto. Yeah, it bites faster. It's way stronger. Saya sudah set to sports mode, okay? This is amazing. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, there is no doubt whatsoever that the CF Moto is the more responsive and more agile punya compared to the two. Okay, let's do a sound check side by side dulu. Cap. Remember how this sounds. Woo! Woo! And now, this is how this QJ sounds. Okay. So in raw exhaust sound, it's almost the same. You hear more of the CF. But I like the CF more lah, honestly, in terms of riding and also in terms of low ref. Yeah. I reserve judgment to my dear viewers. If you're interested in any of these motorcycle, watch the ending, and I'll tell you where to find it. Okay guys, lepas tengok test ride tadi, in conclusion, budget kalau rendah sikit, you can still have fun based on the power and exhaust kamu dengar tadi. From these two motorcycles have already proven the point that as long as kamu di dua roda, you will always have fun. Let me remind you, harga dia 10.800 saja, deposit 1,100, 1,100. Kau boleh dapat sudah motosikal begini. And kau boleh jumpa ni motosikal in the place that I always say, in Fast Best Shop by Wang Maju Moto. Okay. And honestly, if it was my choice, I'm a really sporty guy. I ride fast all the time. Saya akan pilih CF Moto. Tapi kalau kamu geared more to comfort, saya rasa the QJ is the one for you. Okay? That's it for today. And one more announcement. Help me sampai 2K followers, 2K subscribers, and I will give you a brand new helmet. How about it? Max 2 out. See you again. See you again.